All right, we're all set. Got everything put back in the cart. Everything looks good. Tank on, nice and secure. See, we got that all put on. Things all good to go. So let's see what I'm gonna do next. All right, let's check it out. All right, now that we got that on, I want to put some sides on here. You know, something like that. You know, it goes like that. Like, go kind of slant like that, and I want to do that on both sides. I put one right there as well, going up like that. Mount that together like that, so it'll be one on both sides. Help stabilize everything, and we'll go from there. All right, let's get started.
RDMS.
All right, we all set on that. Basically, as you can see, take it off the camera, off the pod. Okay. All right. So basically, as you can see, put 2 screws down at the bottom. Throw the screw in at the top, and yeah, that should be good to go. Help balance it out. Help make it more stronger. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side, and we'll be good to go. All right, we all set. We got both sides on. See, one right here and another one right there. Got both sides all locked in, good to go. So that's good to go. Looks good, like that. All right, so we got that all set. Now let's see if I can widen this surface right here. You know, as you can see, it's not that big. So I was thinking of putting a shelf over here. That way I can extend this a little bit, you know, just in case, you know, I can use it as a, you know, as a welding table type deal, or, you know, for something else in general, you know, just want to make it a little wider. So I was thinking of putting like a little shelf here that folds down, and then, you know, when I need it, folds back up, and then I have this space right here. So let's see what I can come up with for this side right here. I came up with something like this here. I think I'll put it right on the side like that, but have it on the side like that, and that's way if I had something in there, it won't fall out. I like the little edges on there. But anyway, it goes on the side like that, and I was thinking putting a bracket on it to make it just fold straight down like that. When I'm not using it, boop, pop it back up if I need some extra length. So let's see can we make it happen? Alright, so now we all set. Alright, we all set. Got it on there. Feels pretty good. I got a couple screws sticking out the top. See here. But nonetheless, drops down right out of the way. Good to go. You need this extra space. Just pop it up. And you got some extra little space there. You don't need it. Just go ahead and drop it down. Keep on rolling. All right, so right now I'm getting ready to cut these screws off so they'll be flush, so it won't be nothing interfering with the surface. Done. All right, we all set. We got the sides on for the tank holder, and we got the collapsible shelf put on to the side. Of course, you hit 2 levels, drops it right down. Good to go. Pops it up. 2 levels, drops it right back down. Good to go. So now let's get everything put back in here. Let's do it. We're all set. Got everything put back in the cart. Everything looks good. Tank on, nice and secure. Cart still rolls freely. No issue. Full 360. Rolls around. You can see I'm holding the camera with one hand and rotating the cart with the other hand. So everything turns out good. Everything looks great. Rotate it back around. Got the shelf put in. It works nice. So now I got some extra surface area. Want to pile the crap over here out of the way. Got some extra surface area. Then when I don't need it, I'm gonna clear all that out of there and drop everything down. Goes right back in. Everything nice and tucked in, ready to go. So next order for business, I paint it. I'm thinking of painting it red and black, but that'll be a different video. All right, so we're all set. This has been it from turning the old Pearington TV cart into a mobile welding cart. So I had fun. You know, just this stuff here, this extra thing here came off an old, small Harbor Freight welding cart. As with the bottom and the sides. So the sides and that bottom came from my old cart. I just cut it up, added to this one. This one was more user friendly for me, because I can have multi-uses of this cart versus just welding. I can do other things as well. So they're all set. Got all the power cables. I just hooked it up where I could just plug in one and bam, got power to everything. Alright, so it's been fun. Like I said, next video we'll throw some paint on it in the future. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh yeah, the car is coming. Alright, thanks.